Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand how to create vouchers from bank statements in Tally Prime. When you import a bank statement, there might be entries for which there are no corresponding vouchers in the books. Tally Prime helps you create those vouchers using the entries in the bank statement. In the bank reconciliation and imported bank data reports, you have the facility to create single, multiple, and consolidated vouchers. The facility accelerates the process of voucher creation and reconciliation. Once you create the vouchers, they get linked to the corresponding entries in the bank statement. This saves a great deal of time. Let's see how this works. Import a bank statement. Using the connected banking services, you can fetch a bank statement directly from Tally Prime. To know more, view the video on Get Bank Statement into Tally Prime. The link is in the description box. If connected banking is not available for your bank, then you can also import the statement. Press Alt-O and select Bank Statement. In the Import Bank Statement screen, select the bank ledger. Specify the file path and select file type as supported. Select the file to import. Set Show Preview as Yes. Press Ctrl-A to accept the screen. In the Bank Statement Preview screen, press I to import the bank statement. You can see the total number of entries imported in the Summary of Imported Statement. Press S to directly go to Bank Reconciliation Summary and reconcile the book and bank transactions. Or, you can press Escape to go back to the Banking Activities report. Press Alt-G. Type or select Banking Activities and press Enter. In the Banking Activities screen, select the bank and press Enter. In the Bank Reconciliation Summary, press Enter from Unreconciled Transactions. Here, you can see that there are vouchers available only in bank. Now, let's see how to create multiple vouchers. Select the entries for which you want to create vouchers. Press F7. The ledger name column gets added. You can select the relevant ledger for each voucher or create a new ledger. Press Ctrl-A to save the vouchers. As you can see, optional vouchers are created and linked to bank data. You can press R to regularize and reconcile them with the corresponding bank entries. Alternatively, you can go to the optional vouchers, bank data, report and regularize the vouchers. There might be some transactions where a common ledger is applicable. Select the entries, press F7 and select Common Ledger. You can also create a new ledger. The ledger gets applied to all the selected entries. Press Ctrl-A to save the optional vouchers. You can drill down to any voucher and update the billwise and other details as needed. Similarly, you can create a single voucher from a single bank entry. In the Bank Reconciliation report, select the required bank entry and press F7. In the Voucher Creation screen, select the ledger and provide billwise details as needed. Now, there might be entries that belong to a common ledger for which you want to create a consolidated voucher. Select the entries and press Alt F7. Specify the ledger in the particulars, and you will see that the total amount of all the selected bank entries gets prefilled in the voucher. Press Ctrl-A and the voucher gets created and reconciled with the corresponding bank transaction. You can also create multiple or consolidated vouchers in the imported bank data report. Press Alt-G. Type or select imported bank data and press Enter. Select the bank ledger and press Enter. Drill down to view the imported bank transactions for a specific day. Here, you can view the transactions available only in bank and create vouchers as needed. As you saw, in TallyPrime, you can effortlessly create single, multiple, or consolidated vouchers using the entries in an imported bank statement. This helps you keep your books of accounts reconciled. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.